Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 5.2. Find the derivative of x power x plus a power x plus x power a plus a power a for some a greater than 0 and x greater than 0. According to the rules of differentiation, if you have the terms segregated by a plus or a minus sign, we individually differentiate each terms and then collectively add the answer or subtract depending upon whatever is the sign below. So in this case also, I'm going to treat this as a separate differentiation again here and here. So 4 individual differentiations we will do, and then we will combine the solution and write it with plus sign. So I'm going to treat u is equal to x power x, v is going to be a power x, w is going to be x power a, and y is going to be equal to a power a. Now if I'm going to differentiate each of these terms and then I'm going to add them and write the answer. Now if you look the last term, a power a, both a and the power is a constant. Anytime you differentiate a constant, you will end up getting the answer as 0. So as far as the last term is concerned, we don't need to do any differentiation. We can simply ignore them. Now let's calculate the differentiation of u, v and w as we have named it, and then we can combine it. So first let's start with what is going to be u. So u is going to be x power x, so which means log x. I'm taking log again, so log x is equal to x log x. If you differentiate u, it is this side, it is going to be 1 by x. In this, sorry, it is log u, so this is going to be 1 by u du by dx is equal to, this is going to be treated as uv, so u is going to be x and v is going to be log x. So uv dash, so x into 1 by x plus log x into x differentiation is 1, so I write it like this. So this is 1 by u du by dx is equal to 1 plus log x. So the next step, du by dx is equal to u into 1 plus log x. Now what is u? It is x power x, so into 1 plus log x. Now we are going to keep this aside because we are going to write it in the final answer separately. So let's note down the final answer across what is we have defined as u. So this is going to be the differentiation of this particular expression is x power x into 1 plus log x. Now let's move on to the next expression, which is going to be equal to v. So v is equal to a power x. So we know the formula for v is equal to a power x. It's going to be equal to a power x log a. There is a direct formula for this. So dv is going to be equal to dv by dx is going to be a power x into log a. So we are going to write this out as a final output here because this is direct formula. So a power x log a. Now comes the w. So as far as w is concerned, you're going to take w is equal to x power a. So if you're going to differentiate w, this can directly find w's differentiation. This is by the formula. So x power n, if you differentiate, it is x power n minus 1 into n. So in this case, it is a into x power a minus 1. So that is what we are going to write here. So this is the final differentiation for this particular term, a x power a minus 1. Now the final step is to combine all of this, because remember there is a plus sign to each of these terms. Either way, the last term on differentiation is 0. So the others we will combine and write the final answer as x power x into 1 plus log x plus a power x log a plus a x power a minus 1, or you can write this as a by x x power a, whichever format you would like to write. So this is the final answer for the differentiation of the given input term. In the next video, we will see the solution for question 5 in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.